All right, parrots. This is Mrs. Rodriguez just hanging out here with my panda friend. And here's your spelling test. Are you ready? Okay, number 1, crumb. Crumb. You better eat every crumb of the cake I made. Crumb. Next is disappear. 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 I can't think of a sentence for disappear. Sorry, disappear. All right, I found another friend to help me with some more words. Next one is damage. Damage. You better not damage your desk. Downstairs. Downstairs. The meeting is going to be downstairs. Engine. Engine. Start the engine on the car. Grandfather. Grandfather. My grandfather loved to tell stories. Gasoline. Gasoline. Does your car need more gasoline? And yet another friend to help me out here. Holiday. Holiday. This weekend we will have a holiday. Holiday. Hospital. Hospital. I hope nobody ends up in the hospital. Hospital. Forgive. It is important to forgive. Forgive. Fifth. Fifth. In 2 years, you'll be in 5th grade. Fifth. 80. 80. I can think of 80 reasons why I would not want a monkey doing this to my head. Really. Deliver. Deliver. Maybe we could have somebody deliver pizza. Drawer. Drawer. The forks and spoons are in the drawer. Okay, this one is pretty entertaining. You gotta love it. Okay, last word. This should be number 15. Crowd. Crowd. There was a large crowd of people waiting to see the show. All right, you should have 15 words now. Make sure your name is on your paper. Go turn it in the blue basket. If you need to rehear any of this, just watch the video again. And good luck. I hope you get them all right.